said, call your sister and dance.
I'm so happy about my hair. 야, 이거 언니가 해줬어요. 호스텔에서 만난 분이 계시는데요. 여기 나오는 건 별로 안 좋아하신다고 하셔가지고 저만 찍겠습니다. 그리고 언니가 이거 해주셨어요. 인디안 스타일이래요. 말만 안 하면 제가 인디안인지 코리안인지 모를 거라고.
It's helpful for your country peoples. Yeah, that's why. It's good actually.
이거 하면은 사기 안 당할 수 있어. 와우. I love it. So satisfied with it. Oh my god. 뭐 둘러보고 맛있는 거 먹고 할 것 같아요. 원래 오늘 쉬려고 했는데 또 앉아만 있으면 좀 심심하잖아. 그래서 언니랑 갑니다. 언니는 머리 이렇게 하셨어요.
No, nobody recognized you. That's the best thing. Nobody thought you are foreigner.
When I just walking on that street, everybody said like, hello, namaste, come here. But now, okay. 진짜 아무도 안 봐. Nobody looking at me. 진짜 아무도 안 쳐다봐. 오, 와우. 야, 진짜.
Otherwise, now lots of guides behind you.
Oh my god. 말도 안 돼. I'm fully Indian now.
2 or 3 kinds of local food.
Yeah.
You eat dokla, khaman.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, I will show you the
Yes,
next
please.
thing.
Yeah. Because I haven't really tried many
Yeah.
Indian food yet, so I'm just happy to try everything. Oh, the local market.
That's a local market. You never visit?
No.
Okay. You are not problem for walking now?
No.
Then it's fine.
진짜 신기한 게 아무도 안 쳐다봐. 역시 이걸 해야 되는 거야. 와, 아무도 안 쳐다봐. 무다 무, 얇은 무. 와, 여긴 못 와봤어. 와우. 똑같아 우리나라 그런 야채 시장이랑. 와. 이런 거 어떻게 와? Maybe much cheaper than inside a fold.
Yeah, obviously. But
Oh.
you're bargaining it. Yes, they said that 200.
200.
Then you said, okay, and the 300 they give you. Take picture, you take.
What's that?
You wanna take picture? They make
뭐야?
from
The snack?
yeah, the snacks.
The noodle.
No, the namkeen, but not noodle. It's in Hindi semia.
Yum. Chips.
Yeah, it's chips style.
Fry and then.
They fry and
Oh.
this.
It looks like a snack.
Yeah, it's all snacks.
all snack.
Yeah, all snacks. In Indian snacks.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your favorite one?
All of them, bro. I'm foodie person. I eat all this.
Wow. 이거 맛있겠다.
You wanna try
Can I?
one thing? Uncle, can I one piece? Thank you.
Oh, okay.
60 rupees for 250 gram.
How much is for 250 gram normally?
Like this. 60 rupees.
Would
for
you
this.
want?
I don't want actually. I ignore these things.
Why?
Because I'm fatty after eating this. That's why. If you want small, I can it 20 rupees is fine.
Yeah, just like small amount of
Uncle,
it.
these-
아, 맛있다.
Please come over with
이 집도 이렇게 많아?
Yeah.
맛있다. 매콤하니 맛있어. 시장에서 과자 준 느낌? 네?
Uncle, ये सिल सकता है क्या?
어? 아, 나 언니한테 이거 치웠다 했더니 언니가 일로 가져가서. 아, 테이프가 있어야 되지 않을까?
टाका मार के
अच्छा कितने पैसे लोगे?
언니가 다 해주겠어.
अंकल सही सही लगाओ.
흥정하시는 거 같아.
40 दे दो और क्या करें
अच्छा 40 is fine.
40?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They will do. I will eat
Oh,
and
wow.
back.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Yeah. He said 50. I said no. 40.
오. 그래, 이게 로컬이지. 와우. 오토바이 진짜 많다, 근데.
Wholesale fruits and vegetable market.
Oh, wow. Not really sure it's the same road that I've been before or not.
Okay.
Maybe not. 언니한테 얼마나 주시나 보자. 얼마나 달면 이렇게
आप
파리가
अपनी मर्जी का दोगे तो मैं नहीं लूंगी.
진짜 많이 사.
100 for 2 kilo.
What?
Yes. 1 kilo. 1 with hand.
뭐야, 언니한테는
Yeah.
no
You
way,
wanna?
it's double.
Yeah. That's why I said when you go with me.
For me, please.
You also?
Yeah.
Okay, uncle.
a bit more, yeah.
You want 2 kg or 1 kg?
1 kg, please.
1 kg
Yeah.
for 50.
나는 1kg에 100 냈는데.
1 kg कर दीजिए.
Double!
Yeah, it's
I
2
pay
kg.
100!
Fine, it's happened in some time.
Sweet.
Yeah.
인자이산멜.
And kachori, you eat kachori?
Kachori, oh yeah, try. In Pushkar.
Which kachori you eat? Because there are lots of types
Maybe,
of kachori.
I don't know. It's like just normal kachori.
No. Come inside.
Oh wow, 이거 뭐야? 진짜 많다.
Yeah, that's all sweets. That's also
어떻게?
sweets. That's a lassi, your favorite.
I want to try like normal or famous or favorite, your favorite or
Okay.
too many. 너무 많아.
पंचदारी क्या होता है? मूंग दाल का?
Good. Oh, sweet kachori. 진짜 달아. 약간 꽈배기에다가 꽈배기를 설탕물에 담갔다가 뺐다가 넣은 느낌.
The lassi is good.
I was working around the fort and then I found a lassi, saffron lassi. It was 60 rupees. But this is at 45, but it's like absolutely better. I'm sorry about him, but
Okay, that's a good shop at reasonable prices. That's why I'm here.
I thought it's like really famous though.
Yeah,
I thought it's gonna be around like 150 or something like around like 200. But it's like 20.
No, it's a 22,
20
it's a
to
45,
45.
and rest 40, 60, 70.
Samosa.
Hmm.
Samosa. Samosa.
There is Rajasthani pickle, chili pickle, and that's a sauce.
So how can I eat it? Like it. This. Oh. Is it curry paste inside?
Potato.
Potato.
Yeah, potato.
감자. 오,
Salty?
it's nice. 맛있다. 카레 맛 나는 굿 감자랑 페스츄리. 조금 짠데 맵고 맛있어. 매워. 근데 감자가 진짜 부드럽다. 이게 35루피? 이게 뭐야? 뒤 속았다. 소 조금 줄까? 이게 이거 속아 먹으면 안 되지 않나? 립시! They can eat it? They can eat it?
Yeah, they eat it.
먹을래?
They eat now, it's all. That's why. No.
About what?
Like cold drink or something, but I tried this. You want?
What was that?
It's lemon and pudina mint. You wanna?
A bit.
Okay. Uncle, wo glass with it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, just that's it.
Okay, take it. I suggest because you just drink lassi now, that's why.
Oh. It's like a remix.
Yeah. Let's dance.
What? What did I say?
They're commenting. I comment back. You asked me, it's a remix. I tell you no. I tell you na, just normal our conversation. She said yes, let's dance. I said call your sister and dance. You have no right listen to our conversation because you look like foreigner and they charge.
That's why.
That's why I said call her sister and dance.
Here.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
So that it's
와,
fine.
어디가?
You made the bag.
찢었어요. 이렇게 이거 찢었었는데. How long have you been working
Ab
here?
यहाँ they start the business in very small age, then they marriage, then after that they born the children, they married the children, and then start the own business. And the 50 years is here.
Oh wow. Thanks to this one, I could travel really well.
Okay, ये कह रही है कि शुक्रिया इसके लिए, इसकी वजह से मैं
Thank
आसानी
for
से
you.
ट्रैवल
Thank
कर पाऊँ.
you.
Excuse me, यहाँ से सनसेट पॉइंट कौन सा अच्छा है? Straight है. Okay,
Thank you. Here? Here?
I
여기? Restaurant? Is
That's
there
a
a restaurant?
sunset point.
Is this Sunset Point here? Maybe. 맞아? Maybe here? 우와.
Sunset takes time.
우와. 야. 이 죽음의 포인트 아니야? 너무 무서운데?
Sorry?
So scary.
No, no. You just come
Is it
here.
down
no?
there?
It's safe, bro.
Safe?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think it's safe. Oh my god.
You just
나
stay
못해
here.
못해. 나
Just
못해.
stay here.
야 개미 너무 많아. 와.
You can hold.
야 나 못해. 나 진짜 못해.
It's fine,
나
bro.
진짜 못해. 나 진짜 못해. 야 여기 충분해. 나 충분해. It's
Okay, sit.
no, I can't sit.
Why?
Scared.
No,
No
that's
one's
life.
scared. Life. I don't know. It's enough. 나 진짜 무서워. 나 못해. 나 못해. No, scared. 너무 무서워. 너무 무서워. 이거 어떻게 이렇게 서 있냐? 야, 하우야 못하겠다. 무서워.
You never go to bungee, bro.
No, I told you I can't really do the bungee.
I just asked about the massage if you don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine. It's massage shop. 마사지 사이구나. 마사지가 어디 써 있지? 서 있네 마사지.
1,000.
Full body.
Can you show me the room?
Because we have family business, so family is also there.
Okay, okay. I just saw in number. There is a.
Here.
This.
Okay.
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 Okay. और टाइमिंग्स क्या है?
Morning 10.
그 집에서 마사지 하는구나. How was it? Is it good? Is that Sunday style?
No. It's just a home business. Like. There is also sunset point.
Oh,
That's also scary.
that looks safe.
Okay.
That looks safe.
I thought you also. There's
No,
also
no,
scary. I don't
no.
know.
It's good. It's good. What sound are they? Party?
I don't know actually. Oh, that the music?
No, like bam, like
I
bum.
don't know.
You don't know? Oh, you
This
like
one, that's a crackers for party. Yeah.
Party. Okay.
कैसे दिया?
왜.
छोटी का रेट अलग अलग है
आप मुझे दिखा दो कुछ भी नहीं है.
새로 하나 달라와.
First they said 50. Said no. Tell me good prices. Now is India. He said 30, but he made very long, so it's not good taste. You make me now. He said, then I take 50. I said, sorry, bro. Believe that? I said no. He said, bago.
바고. Really?
Yeah, very bad. I don't like this.
바고? Oh, it's too bad.
It's bad.
Okay, just. 아침엔 아무것도 안 보였는데.
You cover this?
In the morning, but so there was nothing actually I could see.
Hey, if you feel don't bad now, it's bad. Tell me.
Why?
The guy I said, give me hot one.
Okay. They're bad actually. He just want to just give it away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really interesting. Like, even you're Indian, but they're still hard to negotiate with them.
That's a sunset.
Wow, that's beautiful.
You know that, no?
I don't know.
Okay.
Are they?
There are some celebration for old people back in history, ancient time.
까까를 도서관 같다. 까까 도서관. 뿌듯해지는 책장이야.
Thank you so much.
우와. 이거 베지터블 주스.
It's a beetroot, raspberry, the ginger, tomato.
좋은 거 다 들었어요. 저녁 식사가 될 것 같습니다. 오! A bit spicy. 매워. 먹었다. 매워. 나 왜 맵냐?
Korea
Yeah.
South North
Guess where?
I think North
Yeah, you're right.
I get some bill.
Oh yeah, why not? That's good.
What is it?
He just asked me like Korea. He said north or south. Guess where? And he said north. Yes, I am. So what? No, I said south. But I was like, I feel like kind of sick of that question. Like, okay, north. So what?
I sick of that question. You are travel solo. Why you don't marry? These kind of questions.
Of course, I understand they don't know. They want to ask me, of course, but I've got tons of the same questions a day, and then
Exactly.
oh my god, yeah, sometimes kind of stressful. Wow, 이거 볶는 건가 봐. It's a bean.
Yeah.
This is like really
That's peanuts.
impressive. Oh.
नहीं, ये मैंने खाया हुआ है.
나 주세요. 아 감사합니다.
चने कैसे बनाओगे?
와 이건 땅콩 국물 이렇게 먹는구나. Oh, very nice. What do you take normally for your breakfast?
I'll make some chana.
차나 뭐야? 이건 뭐야? What is this one?
This is
Like 티밥 이거 맞네. Ah, you mix them all together?
yeah.
아 여기 언니는 베지터리언이라가지고 콩이랑 이런 거 막 섞어서 드시나 보다. 아.
I want to give you, then half I am more spicy.
너무 too much.
Take it.
너무
It's
많아.
tasty.
테이스티가 왜 이렇게
हाँ,
많아?
मेरे को मिर्ची डाल दो. You like it?
Oh my god.
You like it, ना?
맛있어.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Good night.
Give that to me. So I can't make it to you. No.
फिट बोले यार
Anyone can speak English?